Hello. For this video, we'll talk about food vocabulary. Let's go right into it. Fruits: apple, banana, strawberry, blueberry, mango, pineapple, watermelon, grapes, peach, vegetables, carrot, broccoli, spinach, lettuce, cucumber, tomato, onion, bell pepper, garlic, zucchini, meat, chicken, steak, pork, lamb, salmon, shrimp, tuna, lobster, turkey, sausage. Now let's talk about dairy products: milk, cheese, yogurt, butter, ice cream, grains, rice, pasta, bread, oats, quinoa, tortilla, cereal, croissant, bagel, noodles. Now let's talk about beverages: coffee, tea, juice, soda, smoothie, wine, beer, milkshake, lemonade, chocolate, spices, salt, pepper, cinnamon, ketchup, mustard, soy sauce, vinegar, honey. Now let's talk about desserts and sweets: cake, chocolate, cookies, pie, pudding, candy, brownie, donut, muffin, fast food, cheeseburger, sandwich, wrap, french fries, onion rings, chicken nuggets, fried chicken, chips, lasagna, pizza, tacos, burrito, pancakes, waffles,